sorry.
Watch the car. Can you smell that?
Yeah, what's that one?
It's a clutch burning.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
My bad.
Hold it there. Hold it.
Okay.
Stay this way. Stay.
Okay.
Okay. Right, Eddie. That's the end of the test, mate.
Oh, thank God.
Hey guys, welcome to another mock driving test video, and today's learner driver attempting to pass a mock driving test is
Eddie.
And Eddie's come from Loughborough for me to assess his driving and to find out whether, not to find out whether he's ready for a driving test. He's ready for a driving test because he's told me he's failed 3 times.
3 times, yeah.
Yeah, failed 3 times, one serious fault on
Each and every test.
each and every test.
Yeah.
Right, so you know how these mock tests work? Yeah, you've watched enough of them. So I won't say anything during the mock test, and whatever faults there are, I'll obviously, guys, for you guys watching, I'll talk about them just before they happen, and Eddie, I'll talk about them with you at the end.
Yeah, cool.
Any questions before we start?
No?
Cool. Move off whenever you're ready. Obviously, you haven't driven this car before.
No, I haven't.
And Eddie tells me he's coming straight from a night shift, had 2 hours of sleep, so he's already looking for an excuse.
So,
yeah. Okay.
Fingers crossed.
Right. Move off whenever you're ready, please.
All right.
Get the
Yeah.
button right.
First, let me check how reactive the clutch and the pedals are.
Eddie wants to get a feel of the pedals, so moves the car forward but doesn't do any observations. If this was an actual driving test, this would be marked as a serious fault, but obviously I'm not going to mark that.
Okay. Oops.
Yeah. Remember, you still have to do your checks as you're moving forward.
Oh,
to check,
sorry.
yeah? Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. So that's how you release the parking brake. It'll just accelerate.
Okay, sure.
So move off when you're ready.
Right. Checks.
At the end of the road, if you could turn left, please.
When turning left at the end of the road, you should steer to the left and follow the curve of the pavement. How much you steer depends on the curve. Eddie doesn't follow the curve. The space ahead narrows because of the parked cars and oncoming cars. Eddie slows down well and keeps a good distance from the parked vehicles.
Eddie, do you want to tell everyone how many times you messaged me on Instagram for a mock test?
Probably 100 times. It's just, I just want to, want to take this opportunity. That's why, like, I know I'm a bit annoying in the IG and or WhatsApp, but I just have to get your attention.
This camera angle doesn't reflect this, but Eddie is too close to the vehicle in front. When pulling up behind another vehicle, try and keep 2 meters, ensuring you can see their back tyres and a bit of road underneath the tyres. This is known as the tyres and tarmac rule.
So after you turn right, we're turning right again, yeah?
Yeah.
Cleared exit.
Okay.
This first roundabout he does well, but the following roundabout Eddie makes his first serious fault.
Could have gone.
The Range Rover driver next to us moves over to the right even though he could have stayed in the left lane. And at the same time, Eddie was moving over to the left to exit the roundabout. Eddie does check his mirrors but doesn't assess the position of the Range Rover. If the Range Rover driver had kept to his lane, this wouldn't have been a serious fault. But the bottom line is, Eddie should have assessed and judged the situation better.
Oh, sorry.
Go to the car. Stay in that right hand lane for me.
Oh,
this
sorry.
One. That's it.
Guess that's a fail already.
And now you can move over to the left when it's safe.
Instead of staying in the centre of his lane, Eddie positions to the right close to the centre white line. For those of you that are learning to drive and would like my help, check out my ultimate driving course, something I designed to help my learners save time on lessons and get test ready quicker.
And if you could turn right, please.
I'd say most learners mess up their positioning on this confusing right turn. Eddie positions well.
Just be careful, this turning is on a bend.
Okay. Yeah.
Well done, mate, that was good.
Thank you.
It's kind of awkward because it's
Yeah.
right on a bend. Yeah, so you have to give way to the oncoming car just like you did there
Oncoming car
without
as
blocking
well.
their path. Yeah, and when you anticipate the lights changing, get the biting point first. Like even now, get the biting point, let's practice. Don't press the gas, get the biting point.
Okay. There
That's
you
it,
go.
there's no way you're going to roll back now. All you need to do is accelerate.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Don't put the clutch down too much. That's it. Let's go. There we go.
Oh, nice. Now I get it. Oh my days.
See, that makes it easier for you. Yeah? If
Yeah.
you guys think it's going to cause you more issues, it won't. If you use it correctly.
I was kind of worried about like rolling back again.
If anything, that's going to help you out.
Here are marked two serious faults. Eddie rushes into a meeting situation and then gets too close to the parked vehicles. I had to help him out. We talk about this in a bit more detail during the feedback at the end of the test.
Oops. Right. Let me just squeeze in a bit.
Okay, steer more to the right. Steer all the way to the right.
Okay.
All the way. That's it. Get the biting point now. Hold it there. No, high with the biting point first.
Okay.
High with the biting point. Hold it there. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Okay.
That's steer this way, steer.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a really tight road.
Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Keep the clutch down. Brake. Get gear one. That's it. Stop about here. Stop, stop,
Okay.
stop. Okay. And let them get through.
My days, it's really a tight road and
Yeah. And
it's a nightmare for me. Can I squeeze in now?
yeah, let's go forward now. Go forward. Slowly. That's it. Okay, clutch down. You're in gear 3. Get gear 1 quickly. And carry on. Carry on.
My days, man.
Eddie needed a break.
Can I get a breather now?
Yeah, I've seen enough, Eddie. I'm joking. I'm only joking. Okay. Move up.
Oh my days.
Move up whenever you're ready.
I didn't know it was this stressful in Wolverhampton. Okay. Yeah.
I asked Eddie to park up so I could give the cameras a quick wipe. His parking up was good earlier, but this time he mounts a curb.
Oops. My bad.
Eddie demonstrates that he can deal with oncoming traffic and shows good judgment.
Right, Eddie, I think you first messaged me about 6 months ago or longer.
Yeah, 6 months ago.
Yeah. Can you imagine what your driving was like then? I'm just thinking, if I had like replied to you 6 months ago and you taken a mock test 6 months ago.
Oh, definitely. I would pass. No, just joking.
Okay, and now when it's safe to do so, if you could park up on the right hand side, please.
Right hand side, yeah.
Eddie makes a serious fault during this manoeuvre. I was kind of partly to blame for this.
Okay,
Thank you. And now if you could reverse 2 car lengths.
2 car lengths. Okay. The reverse is this one.
Oh, you have to lift the lever up at the front.
Okay.
Eddie isn't using enough acceleration when reversing, so stalls a couple of times.
Oops. Sorry. Back to neutral, yeah. Okay. Patience. Is that enough?
No. 2 car lengths, yeah?
2 car lengths. See the people.
Can you smell that?
Yeah, what's that one?
It's a clutch burning.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
My bad. Oh, my days. Oh, my days, man. What's wrong with me?
As he starts reversing again, Eddie is heading towards the pavement. This is a common mistake made during this manoeuvre. He stops and is ready to finish the manoeuvre, but I ask him to continue reversing some more. I wanted to see if he noticed and corrects the positioning. He doesn't notice and ends up on the pavement.
Yeah, all good. Okay. That should be enough.
Can you reverse back a bit more for me?
Oh,
Just because I know you're enjoying it so much.
oh my days. Wait, let me just... Okay. I think you're the one enjoying, Ben, not me. Enjoying seeing me struggle with this. Oh my god. Last one, okay. Yeah. Okay. All good.
Yeah.
Can I check the kerb? Yeah. Just 1 inch
1 inch what?
gap.
Is there a gap? So have a look at the back tyre for me.
Oh, oh yeah, failed again. Oh my days.
Move off when you're ready.
Oh my god. I should have gone back to sleep.
When moving off, he stalls again.
What's wrong with me? Oh my days, man.
It's not you, it's the car in it.
No, right now, admit it's me. It's not the car.
At this crossroad, when waiting in the middle for oncoming traffic, Eddie's position is good. Now this van is totally blocking our view. Even though we can't see if there are any oncoming vehicles approaching in this centre lane, Eddie decides to go. I had to stop him. This is a dual carriageway and vehicles will be approaching at higher speeds. If you can't see well ahead, then don't take the risk.
Stop, stop, stop.
Sorry.
Stop. Okay, is it safe?
Yeah, it's actually clear.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Just don't go too much then, see?
Yeah.
See, you're blocking their path, yeah?
Oh, sorry.
See how them cars have to steer that way now?
Okay. Oh my days.
That was for you, yeah?
Okay, all good. That's a nice way to say hello for me. Okay.
Right, Eddie? That's the end of the test, mate.
Oh, thank God.
You can switch off the engine for me. How you think that went?
Sorry?
How you think that went?
Went a disaster.
There were some good parts, yeah. But to your driving as well, yeah. But come on, after going for 3 driving tests,
Yeah.
your driving should be slightly better than
Slightly better, yeah.
Okay.
It's just me. I don't know what's going on with me. It's just me overthinking
Yeah.
things.
that. Don't, yeah. You know, when we did those 2 roundabouts together, the first one you did well. Then the second
one, yeah, that
again,
was it.
that's where you're supposed to check your mirrors, and if you feel it's not safe, you can keep to the right. But you did check your mirrors.
I did check my mirrors.
But then you
was
check
too
the
late.
mirrors just for the sake of it. When you check the mirrors, you're supposed to do what?
To be like, be aware if there's a car on the
You're
left
good.
side.
You're supposed to assess what's happening there. You didn't really, so you checked them
Yeah.
just because obviously you know you're supposed to check them, but check them to actually take in what's there. And if you're not sure, stick to your lane. Never change your lane without being 100% sure.
So I should
Okay.
have stayed on my
Yeah,
right
you can
hand
stay
side.
on your right hand side. Okay. And with that meeting situation where I had to help you out a bit, you know, the road was really tight.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
a nightmare for me.
Yeah, that was really. But you were doing it fine, and then a car turned up, and you said, "Oh, you noticed the whole situation, but you didn't slow down. You just went into it quite fast, and you ended up really close to that car. As soon as you said, all you had to do was brake
Break it a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, and just slow it down, get gear, and think, okay, whereabouts shall I stop? Because it's quite a tricky situation. You just got really close to that car.
Because I was thinking like, oh, I can make it.
You can't make that. Okay. Yeah.
Which is not, yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is, you didn't notice. It's not that you didn't notice it. You noticed it because I saw from the sound effect you made. You're like, oh, okay. But you didn't react to it in time, though. Eddie, thank you very much for coming to do this mock test.
Appreciate your
such
time,
short
yeah.
notice. No
It's a
sleep, new
privilege.
car, different area. Yeah.
I think it's just it's not the alibis anymore. Like no sleep, and then haven't eaten anything.
more excuses.
Yeah, more excuses. The clutch of the car.
Oh, it sounds okay when I'm saying it. Now, when you start saying it, yeah, it's like you're feeling sorry for yourself here.
Yeah, I just realized it now.
Right,
But yeah.
guys. Right, Eddie, could you end the video for me?
Right, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.
Cheers.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.